In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Roblox not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings. So this should be a quick and easy process video. As you can see right now, check your birth date on the account. Some games restrict access to users under 13. Go to Roblox account settings, check your birth date under the personal tab. If it's under 13, you won't be able to join games. Update privacy settings, log into your account, click the gear icon, go to privacy tab, then scroll to who can invite me to private servers and who can join me in experiences. If under 13, ask a parent to change settings or disable account restrictions. And also some game specific restrictions, some games are 13 plus or 17 plus. So this should be a quick and easy process video. As always, thank you for watching.